my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of Outre's newer units. It's from their Perfect Hairline collection, but it's from their True Frontal series by the name of Peak Edge 708. This unit comes in multiple different colors, and here are the specialty colors that it comes in. But just note, it also comes in a 1, 1B, and 2, and just for reference, I received the 1B. I chose the 1B just because I've been on this like natural color kick when it comes to my units as of recently. But if I were to choose one of the specialty colors, I probably would have either chose the DRF Ginger Brown just because I love me a good ginger brown moment, child. Or if I wanted something like even more out there, I probably would have gone with maybe the DRST Berry Valentine. I don't know, I feel like that pink color is really pretty, even though I'm not even like a really big pink person. I don't know, it's cute to me. I like the dark roots and then the different shades of pink. I don't know, but I feel like I made the right choice choosing the 1B. Again, this unit is a part of the True Frontal series, so therefore it's going to be a full-on 13 by 6, meaning you're going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space. This is perfect for the girlies who like to do deep side parts, do half up, half downs, or even create like cute little designs in the middle. But for me personally, I'm going to keep it basic and simple. With this unit being a part of the Peak Edge styles, it also comes pre-styled with a widow's peak as well. So as you can see, this widow peak that's right here is pretty much exactly what you're going to get. And I say pretty much just because although this unit did come pre-plucked, I went in and plucked it just the tiniest bit more. This unit is 22 inches in length, and as far as the styling is concerned, she does come with some like light layers in the front and also some light curls. You know, that's right up my alley, child. But I will say something that makes this unit unique is that on the sides of it, it has like razor edges. So like your edges on both sides are not the length of the complete unit. As far as the cap construction for this unit is concerned, it is your standard cap construction, coming with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. And it also has a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust. As for the texture of this unit, I would say that she's a light yaki texture. I mean, I feel like it's pretty obvious that she's not like a full-on yaki textured unit, but I wouldn't say that she's silky either, just because, I don't know, whenever I touch her, I feel some slight texture. I don't really know how it's picking up on camera, but trust me, I feel like she's a light yaki textured unit. One of the key features is that it can take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit worth of heat. Now mind you, I didn't put that much heat on it, but I did use 350 degrees worth. And I more so used it up here at the top just so it would look like humpy or anything like that. And I'm also telling you guys this right now because I don't think I recorded that part, but hey, you guys know right now. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my pros and cons.
Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but
okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Outre. I only have one con, and that would be that I am getting quite a bit of snagging when it comes to this unit. I'm not really understanding why I'm getting so much snagging. Granted, it is a synthetic unit, and so therefore I am going to naturally expect that. But I'm guessing what I'm trying to say is that I wish I was getting like a little bit less snagging. And if this is your first time watching a synthetic review, or at least one of my synthetic reviews, please just know, if you plan on picking up this unit, if you plan on picking up any type of synthetic unit, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna get some type of snagging and or tangling. So just be aware of it. Before we get into my pros, I want to talk about one other thing, and it's not necessarily a con, but it's also not a pro. It's kind of more so like a, what is this? Yeah. It's more so centered around the razor edge. Like, I get what Outre was trying to do, you know, something different, something creative, something out there. But at the same time, I'm like, why? But now that I'm actually sitting here thinking about it, I'm like, I think I do know why. I could have thinned this out a little bit and then made it to where, if I did a side part, it would almost look like some of my hair is shaved down a little bit. I don't know. Now I might try that styling, and if I do try that styling, I'll either insert it into the install portion, or either I will just pop pictures up on the screen. But I don't know. At first I wasn't really understanding what was the point of the razor edge, but I think I might have just figured it out. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and talk about the pros now. My first pro for this unit is going to be the styling of her. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love me a unit that's like not too long, it's not too short, it's full but it's not overly full, and I definitely don't like it when it's thin and light and see-through. No thank you. But it has like nice light layers and then some curls as well thrown into it. I don't know, to me it just always gives a very effortless, put together look, and that's right up my alley. My next pro for this unit is going to be the texture of her. Now don't get me wrong, I still stand by my yaki textured units, love them down no matter if it's human hair or synthetic, but I will say that a light yaki texture also just does it for me as well, because it more so gives like a relaxed texture type of feel. Yeah, I'm also really liking the density of this unit. She's not thick at all, but she's also not so light to where you're just like, girl, why do I only have 2 strands of hair on my head? she gives like a really nice light density. I would say that this would be a unit that I would for sure wear during the spring and summer months. On the stock card, it says that this lace is a Vanish HD plus transparent lace. Now mind you, I feel like I read somewhere or saw somewhere that a lace cannot be both HD and transparent. I don't know, I'm not a lace expert, so I don't want to get to line. What I will say is that this lace on this synthetic Outre unit looks so good and blends so well to where I truly feel like some human hair companies need to start taking note. The lace just always looks so good, but of course that's after you tint it to your skin tone. Oh, I forgot to mention this on the styling portion when I was saying like it's a pro for me. The fact that it also comes with a pre-styled widow's peak. Like in most of my units as of recently, I've been putting a widow's peak in them just because I have a widow's peak naturally. So therefore the fact that I don't have to do that with this one, I just have to like cut around. I mean, I have to do some type of customization, but it ain't like a whole lot. The fact that it's already basically done for me, 2 thumbs up. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to tell you guys about this unit. I can't think of anything right now, but if I do think about anything else, I'll make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have any information that I have for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.